This is the world's smallest wireless camera. I'm going to be putting it on a rock crawler, a tiny one. I've got all the wires ran on the car. I got to do a little bit of soldering yet on this, the tiny camera. But basically the wires are going to come out of the front. It's going to plug into the camera. I got my Velcro. I'm going to make a mount, a 3D printed mount. I'm going to Velcro the mount to it. This has power, the exact amount of power that the little tiny camera needs, and it's going to be plugged in and then sit right here. World's tiniest camera, ready to mount. All right, if all goes as planned, that should work. Looks like we got plenty of travel in the wire. I think I'm set. Moment of truth. Do we have lights? Oh! Okay. If that wasn't nerdy enough, this is where things get very nerdy. So, the way that you see the whole wireless video thing, you know, is through these goggles. And when they're powered on, they have enough lights and antennas on them to bring in a 747 probably from your local airport. So, let's get nerdy. I'm stoked that it works. I totally didn't think it would. If you guys live on the 1100 block of Brady Street in Attica, Indiana, be on the lookout, because I swear I'm going to drive that thing all over the block. I'm just going to sit in my living room. I'll put it up on the TV somehow. I'll get something figured out. I'm just going to cruise it around and try not to get ran over. Thanks for watching. See y'all soon.